Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Welcome to Thursday, March 6th, 2025 meeting of the Police and Fire Commission. First order of business is called to order. Second item on the agenda is the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. The next item on the agenda, the third item, is public appearances for non-agenda items. Do we have anyone online? We do not, and no one here with us. So let's move to the fourth item on the agenda, the Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director recruitment. I will move us into closed session. Pursuant to section 19.85, subsection 1, subsection E, Wisconsin statute, the commission will move into closed session for the purpose of considering employment, promotion, compensation, or performance evaluation of any public employee over which the governmental body has jurisdiction or exercises responsibility. More specifically, by the PFC to interview the Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director finalists. Is there a second? Second. Any questions? We're in closed session. Okay, we are out of closed session. Item 4B on the agenda. Are there any actions to be taken based on items discussed in closed session? No. Hearing none, we will move to agenda item number 5, announcements. None. No announcements. I'll take a motion to adjourn.
I'll move that we adjourn the meeting.
Second. Since so moved, properly second. All in favor of adjourning?
Aye.
Any opposed? Hearing none, we are adjourned.